Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a casual plan with me. So I haven't actually done one of these in ages and I really wanted to do one. First, I'm going to do a bit of planning for the month ahead. Noteful app has this recent update where you can import your own sticker collections. So if you have them all in PNG format, you can actually add them into the sticker panel. So I'm just going to do that now with the stickers that I want to use. And then let's add a new collection. I'm going to call that Valentine. Sorry if the scribble looks really messy. And let's add Valentine's Day to my monthly planner. Let's add in Chinese New Year. I like to put my goals on my monthly page so I can see it regularly. So I'm just going to use this space in the corner to brainstorm some goals for the month. And I have a sticker that says, where is it? Goals. So these stickers that I'm using are organized into different folders in my files, and it's just an alternative to importing everything into the stickers panel inside Noteful app. So for my goals for the month, I'm going to have a look at my goals that I wrote at the start of the year. So I wanted to create more memories, and we're actually going to Japan in March for Dan's 40th birthday. So I need to plan everything before March. So I'm just going to write that one in. Exercise daily and eat healthy. So recently I have started doing more exercise and trying to focus a bit more on my health. So I think my second goal will be healthy habits. And then let's see, learn to work more efficiently, and the happy downloads job. So one thing I really want to finish is the reading stickers. I know I've been talking about the reading stickers probably in my last couple of Plan With Me videos. I did start them ages ago and I was really enjoying making them, but then things just got busy. So that is one thing that I definitely want to finish. I'm going to add a sticker from the spring pack. So this is another one of my favorite sticker packs. And I think this sticker would go well here. Another way that I'm organizing my stickers is by using a color-coded color palette. So these colors correspond to the different letters on these folders, and it just basically helps me find the color that I want. And to make it easier for me to access those stickers, I've customized one of the side tabs in my planner to open up that Files app in a side panel. Let's add this one in. So I'm trying to doodle a cat paw here because this sticker is going to be for the potential return of our foster cat. So we fostered a cat a couple of months ago and she has been staying with her adoption family. Obviously, I hope that she stays with her new family, but she was super sweet, and if she comes back, I would be equally happy. And her name was Nira, and I'll try and share some videos and photos of her on screen now. So we're just going to keep that weekend free in case she has to return. Nira was the first cat that we have ever had, and she was so cute. And when she first left for her adoption family, we both really missed her so much. And we're just starting to get over her now, actually, like weeks later. And we're thinking that we will foster another cat, but we're not sure at the moment. These hearts look a bit too much, so I'm just going to freehand crop them out. So for these stickers, I think I will eventually import them into the app because you can see the previews. The way the previews show is actually super unhelpful because they all look the same and you can't tell what they are without tapping into each one. Where is it? I've memorized it now. I think it's this one. Yep. So here I'm hoping to post this Plan With Me video at the beginning of the month if I can manage to get it finished in time. So now I'm using the highlighter tool to draw a box so I can block out some time to work on stickers, and you can just hold and it will snap straight. I have a book sticker somewhere in the everyday stickers pack, if I can find it, this one. And then I'm just going to crop the words away. So let's just get rid of that bit. So I'm just left with the book. I had actually hoped to finish the reading stickers last month, but my brother Kevin came to visit and we spent a while doing touristy things, and I didn't get much work done at all during that time. So hopefully this upcoming month I will have more luck in getting this finished. So this is actually looking kind of wonky, and one of the things I like about digital planning is that you can tidy up, like straighten up all your words if you wanted to. In Noteful app, you can tap on the shape and then go to style, and you can change the color and change the opacity as well. One thing that we wanted to do with Kevin but didn't get around to doing is going to the Dubai Miracle Garden. So me and Dan are thinking of doing that at some point, probably during the weekdays when it's quieter. And I'm just going to decorate that with some flower stickers. Since it's Valentine month, I'm going to add in some more Valentine stickers just for decoration. This pack is actually one of my favorites that I've ever made, and I use it all year round, not just at Valentine's, because I like the color pink and I like hearts, and yeah, it's just perfect for me. With this space here, I'm hoping to do some travel planning. So I love to travel, but I actually dislike planning for trips because it can be a little bit stressful, and I actually would love to just turn up somewhere one day and wing it and just not do any planning at all. But I'm pretty sure that Tokyo especially will be very booked up because we're going during cherry blossom season. So by this weekend, I am hoping to finalize the hotel bookings. And one thing that I'm trying to learn is to accept that no trip is perfect and things can go wrong, but you know, a trip can be enjoyable anyways, despite it not going perfectly to plan. See if this cloud sticker works here. So we are actually going back to the UK to visit our family at the beginning of March before we go to Japan. So at the end of February, I want to be ready, like all packed and ready for our UK trip as well. So I'm just going to put this sticker here and maybe rotate it. And this is going to be like pack and get ready for our UK trip. Pack and prepare for UK trip. So March is going to be really busy with a lot of traveling. So I'm not sure that I'm going to be around on social media very much at all. And I'm going to add some more stickers for decoration just to fill up some of these blank spaces since I'm not using them at the moment. I am hoping to post another YouTube video before the end of the month because I'm pretty sure I won't be doing much in March at all because of all the traveling. So starting out on YouTube, we never actually anticipated having so many views and subscribers. So it's been a real pleasant surprise to us, and we're really grateful for all the success that we have achieved on YouTube. And I'm going to add a heart sticker to the corner of this goals sticky note, just for decoration as well. Here I'm just adding a sticker for our weekly therapy session. So Dan and I started doing couples therapy a while ago, and we've only had a couple of sessions, but it has been really useful so far. The rare occasions that we do have an argument, it can be really useful to have tools and techniques in place to help us to resolve that conflict without escalating it. And I'm finding that quite useful so far, so we're hoping to continue that. Another thing that I want to do is send out a mid-month newsletter. And this is where we share news about new products, videos, and freebies. And for you guys on the mailing list, you probably already know that I am quite bad at sending these. And the reason is because I don't like sending out newsletters when I don't have much to say. So typically I don't send these very often, but by next month, I'm hoping to be able to share news about maybe a new product or a new video at least. So here's what the whole spread looks like, and I didn't actually spend too long decorating this, but I think this looks nice anyways, and this was very quick and easy to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. Check out my other Plan With Me videos on my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.